In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change HTTP to HTTPS in Hostinger. This transition is crucial for securing your website's communication by encrypting the data exchanged between your visitors and the server. It's a great step in safeguarding privacy and boosting search engine rankings. So, let's dive into the process together and ensure that your website is both secure and trusted. First, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the control panel. This is where we'll find most of the tools needed to manage your website's hosting settings. In the control panel, look for the SSL option. It's typically found under the Advanced section or might be directly accessible from the main menu, depending on your Hostinger plan. Click on the SSL option to proceed. If you haven't already enabled SSL for your domain, the system will direct you to the Let's Encrypt SSL tool. Hostinger offers free SSL certificates via Let's Encrypt, which is a great option for most standard websites. Select the domain you wish to secure from the drop-down menu, then click Install. This simple action begins the installation of your SSL certificate. Once the SSL installation is complete, it's time to move your website from HTTP to HTTPS. Head back to your control panel's main page. Find the File Manager or Website section, which will allow you to access and edit your website's files. Here, you'll look for a file called .taxs. If you can't find it straight away, ensure that your settings are configured to show hidden files, which the .taxs file often is. Open your .taxs file in the editor. Now, I'm going to guide you through adding a specific bit of code that redirects all traffic from HTTP to HTTPS. Insert the following lines at the beginning of your .taxs file: plain text rewrite engine on rewrite cond, HTTPS off rewrite rule. HTTPS, HTTP host, request URL R301. This code activates the URL rewriting engine and sets conditions so that any traffic coming via HTTP is immediately redirected to the HTTPS version of your site. Save your changes and close the editor. Now, with the SSL certificate in place and the taxs file correctly configured, it's essential to verify that everything is functioning smoothly. Open a new web browser or an incognito window and type in your website's URL using HTTP. You should automatically be redirected to the HTTPS version. If that happens, congratulations! You've successfully secured your website with HTTPS in Hostinger. Remember, maintaining a secure website is an ongoing task. Regularly check that your SSL certificate is up to date and remains correctly installed. And that's it. You've transformed your site's security, making it more trustworthy for your visitors. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave any questions you might have in the comments below.